Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your normal videos into green screen videos using your mobile phone. It doesn't matter whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, the process is exactly the same. So just follow along. Converting your videos into green screen is pretty easy, and all you need is a free app called CapCut. I'll include download links in the description of this video. CapCut is a popular video editing app, so go ahead and download it on your device. Once you have it installed, open any web browser. I'll be using Safari on my iPhone, and head over to Google.com. In the search bar, type green screen and download any green screen image you find. Save the image to your photo gallery, and then we'll move on to the next step. Open CapCut on your device and create a new project. This will bring up your photo gallery, where you'll import the green screen image you just downloaded. Once the green screen image is on your timeline, adjust its length to match the duration of the video you want to convert, or you can do it after your video is added into the timeline. Next, it's time to import your video. Click on the overlay option, then select Add Overlay and find the video you want to convert. I'll be using this one for the tutorial. With your video added, adjust its length to match the green screen and zoom in a bit so it fits the frame perfectly. Now, select the video on the timeline and scroll down until you see the cutout button. Tap on it, and then select Remove Background. Wait a few seconds for CapCut to remove the background from your video, and you'll be left with a green screen video that you can edit as you like. And that's how you convert your normal videos into green screen videos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It would mean a lot. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.